Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm diving into a tool that's quickly become a staple in my workshop. When you spend countless hours cutting, fitting, and fine-tuning projects, having a reliable way to capture exact angles can be the difference between a flawless finish and a costly redo. The Lexivon Digital Angle Finder promises to bring digital precision to both seasoned tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts without breaking the bank. In this review, I'll walk you through how it performs on real jobs, what the ergonomics feel like during a full day of use, and whether the extras that come in the box add genuine value. Expect an honest look at its strengths, any quirks I've run into, and a clear verdict on whether it earns a permanent spot on your tool belt. Let's get started. As soon as I slipped the Lexivon Digital Angle Finder into my toolbox, the first thing that struck me was how lightweight it feels without sacrificing sturdiness. The 7-inch, 180mm protractor arm gives plenty of leverage for larger cuts, while the XL LCD display presents the degree reading at a glance, even in dim workshop lighting. The device measures both inner and outer miter angles with a resolution that feels precise enough for cabinet work and framing alike. The zippered pouch that comes with it is rugged enough to survive the bumps of daily job sites, and the overall build quality rivals more expensive models I've handled before. At $25, it positions itself as a budget-friendly option, but the feature set, digital readout, clear degree scales, and a solid aluminum body makes it feel like a professional-grade tool right out of the box. In my day-to-day projects, the gauge has become a go-to for anything that requires exact angle replication. Tightening a miter saw for a crown molding run used to be a guessing game, but now I lock the arms, read the digital readout, and slide the saw blade to match without a single miscut. As an electrician friend showed me, the same tool works wonders on conduit runs, letting you capture the slope of existing piping and duplicate it in new installations. I've also used it to verify baseboard angles in older homes where walls are rarely square, and even to set up the perfect tilt for an attic ladder replacement. The versatility stems from its ability to quickly switch between inner and outer measurements, eliminating the need for separate bevel gauges or manual protractors. The first real test came when I tackled a DIY attic ladder replacement last summer. The original ladder had settled over the years, leaving a subtle but problematic tilt that made climbing uncomfortable. I placed the digital angle finder against the existing rung, noted a 3.7-degree pitch, and then used that exact figure to cut the new support brackets. The confidence of having a numerical readout meant I didn't have to make iterative adjustments. The first cut fit perfectly, saving me hours of resawing and sanding. That same precision has paid off on a series of hand-cut dovetail joints, where a half-degree error can ruin an entire assembly. Knowing the angle down to 1/10 of a degree lets me work faster, with less waste, and with a level of assurance I rarely get from analog gauges. What really sets this gauge apart are the subtle details that enhance everyday use. The rotating arms glide smoothly yet lock firmly, so you can set an angle and trust it won't drift while you mark the workpiece. The digital display is backlit and large enough that I can read it across a noisy job site without squinting, and the battery compartment is sealed to prevent dust from creeping in. The included zippered case not only protects the tool during transport, but also doubles as a handy storage pouch for accessories. I keep extra batteries and a small screwdriver there. Moreover, the spare battery that comes in the box means I never have to pause mid-project waiting for a charge. All these small conveniences combine to create a tool that feels thoughtfully engineered rather than a generic off-the-shelf item. The only caveat I've noticed is the price point. At $25, it is a touch higher than some generic analog gauges that flood the market, which might give budget-conscious buyers pause. While the digital readout is reliable, the battery life, though adequate for several weeks of moderate use, isn't as long as the solar-powered models I've seen. Also, because the LCD screen is large, the unit isn't as compact as a pocket-sized bevel gauge, so it takes up a bit more drawer space. Lastly, the device doesn't include a built-in magnetic base, something that could make it even easier to cling to metal surfaces during quick measurements. These are relatively minor drawbacks, but they're worth mentioning for anyone weighing every cent and feature. All things considered, the Lexivon Digital Angle Finder delivers a solid blend of accuracy, durability, and convenience that exceeds its modest price tag. For professionals who need to replicate angles on the fly, as well as DIY enthusiasts looking to upgrade from an old bevel gauge, it offers a digital precision that translates directly into cleaner cuts and less rework. The robust aluminum construction, reliable zippered case, and thoughtful extras like a spare battery make it feel like an investment rather than a disposable tool. Even with a slightly higher cost and a few minor omissions, the benefits far outweigh the downsides, and I find myself reaching for it on almost every project that involve a cut, a tilt, or a joint. If you're in the market for a trustworthy angle measuring device that won't break the bank, this is the one I'd reach for without hesitation. Thanks for watching, gentlemen. If precision tools like the Lexivon Angle Finder help you nail every cut, give this video a like and lock in future tips by subscribing. Stay sharp, keep your angles true, and we'll bring more must-have gear every week for you straight to your workshop inbox.